What's up, guys? We're gonna do a breakdown of the ES. It's September 28th, 2023. We're gonna do the context, the price action breakdown, and where we are in the market cycle. Had a pretty good day for the bulls today. They had a good push up, and then we ranged for the rest of the day. Here's yesterday. We see we have a lot of selling pressure, but each new leg is met with two legs by the bulls. So although yesterday was a downtrend, all pullbacks were pretty deep. Yeah, and that one ripped. So bulls were present all day yesterday. They weren't making a lot of money, but they were able to make money in a downtrend. So the downtrend is not that strong. Yesterday at EOD, we could see bulls almost make a new high, but failed to make a new high. And yeah, they had a good close yesterday. Bounced off the EMA. After selling all day, they had to close above the EMA, very close to the opening price. That's not good for the bear case at all. Here's that. So yeah, that was yesterday's context, and I know a lot of you are used to seeing the day already played out, but I'm trying to condense the videos while still conveying the same information. So here's yesterday's context, and then here's today. This is bar one from today. I'll just leave that there just so everyone can see it. And then we're going to do the replay, as always. Wow, that is so annoying. Did you guys see how it goes on left or right of the wick, but it doesn't go in the center? Okay. You guys get that's bar one. That's going to annoy me off stream. I'm just going to delete it, but you guys see this is bar one. Okay, let's play the first 6 bars of the day. First 6 bars of the day. But we're going to start doing the first 7 bars because trading the first 6 bars of the day, the 7th bar is sometimes a news report. So I might start making it a habit just to wait to 7:05. But we're still going to talk about the first 6 bars. So I'm still on the fence about that. First 6 bars, first 7 bars. We see bears have a gap down. The market closed here yesterday and opened, I think, here. They push down and we have a huge bull reversal. Bar 1. Bar 2 and 3 is a sell. It's a limit order market, so sell high, buy low. And the bulls are buying lows and bears are selling high. Bars 5 is a bull candle. This is a strong sell, but then if it's so strong, why was it met with a bullish doji? And this is a micro higher low. So what we're kind of seeing here already is a head and shoulders reversal by the bulls. Bears tried to get a breakdown of yesterday and failed. So with yesterday's price action and today's price action is somewhat of a double bottom with trap bears right here. And we see that trap happen through bar 5. So close. Bar 5. Huge bull breakout of today's high. But we don't get above yesterday's close, and I think that makes traders hesitant. I still suspect there are more buyers here than sellers because they're looking at this over this. This is dominant right now on the charts. We are approaching what looks like a double top. I actually got trapped here. Go figure. I hesitated here because of this and got trapped here. So we have a double top, but we also have strong pressure, buying pressure. And the first 6 bars of the day show us that bears cannot get any more momentum and bulls are buying lows. They bought the EMA and they bought higher, so bulls are buying. Today's first 6 bars are showing us bullish strength. Here's the next pattern. I did take this trade. This was a nice trade. We see what I'm looking at here is a bull channel. A double top is a reversal, but it's also a breakout trade. If it goes like that, it's a breakout flag. Do you guys see that? Bang, 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 bang. It's a flag. Consolidation. It's a good pattern right there. And here's also a flag. Bull flag. Pull back. This could be a wedge bottom bull flag. Three wicks down. And look at this gap. Bulls, I do bodies, so we're not looking at that wick, but this is a bull gap, remember? Because of this bar. If bears close down here, then the bull breakout would be very weak. It wouldn't really be a bull breakout. The test for the bears would be successful. The test would be to see if there's buyers or sellers, and there are more buyers at the breakout point. So the market moved up, and I think that created a trap here for bears. I think this is a bear trap, but they do make 10 points, so we can't ignore, or they make almost 20 points, so we can't ignore that. We're still in a trading range right now because bulls made 20 points and then bears made 20 points, and then we went up. So we have a trading range of more bullish pressure. Okay, and now we see the bull flag and bull channel are getting continuation. We're starting to get a little bit steeper. It's starting to get a little more like squeezed, like if we kept going. The reason I stop it right here is because there's another pattern. You guys see this bull flag? Push up, down, push up. Bears see a double top. So they go short here and they get trapped because we're in a bull trend, and boom, just like they got squeezed out here, boom, just like they got squeezed out here, boom, just like they got squeezed out here, boom. Now the market is starting to gap up within the first hour. We can start to think of a trend, or not a trend, but at least bullish pressure, because bears did make money right here, so the trend isn't as strong as it could be, but they are getting trapped. Bears are getting trapped here. This creates a 30-point run, 10, 20, 30 point for the bulls already. So that's quite good. They're making money within the first 2 hours of the day. Coincides with the first 6 bars. Here, the move is starting to get climactic. This is happening pretty fast. A very small pullback, and it keeps going. Small pullback. Remember, when we see this in a buy the close rally, this is a buy the close rally. It's telling you buy the close is ending soon. Doesn't mean that it is a bear reversal. It just could be, we could get into a bull channel. Small pullback bull channel. I don't know. But this just tells you that something isn't all that good with the bull case. That doesn't mean we're reversing. That just means something's not good with the, it means what it means. It means something's not good with the bull case, but we're still going higher. And we are going higher, so that's about 40 points, 10, 20, 30, 40. Bulls have made 40 points. They're going to have to take profit soon, and we've been trending above the EMA for a while. Bears made 20 points here, so we know bears are looking, they just are getting trapped over and over again. Trap trader is what helps create the trend, because bulls want it to go higher, and bears get trapped, making them buy back their shorts. Look, you guys see a pattern here? Another double top. I got out of my longs around here because I thought we were going to sell because this was climactic, but people who went short here, again, get trapped, right? Trap, 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 trap. Double tops are, in bull trends, double tops are good trades to take to the long side. But if we're reversing, it's a trap. So that's the bet. Is it a pullback? Is it a reversal? Is it a continuation? In this case, it was a continuation, but look, after this doji, we've had pullback here, pullback here. This is a deep pullback. This is not good for the bull trend. And bears start to make money finally. So here, bears are starting to get 2 legs down. We see a double top, lower high after multiple pullbacks, creating a wedge top here. I want to say there is a bigger wedge top. Yeah, I don't know why I thought it might have been bigger from the previous day. Okay, well, it's still 3 pushes up, so it behaves like a wedge. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's getting parabolic. And bears get 2 legs down. 1, 2. Look how long this pullback took. That's like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35-minute pullback to get about 12 points. And then they go straight into another consolidation. So the market's more bullish, but they have to pull back, take profits, adjust themselves somewhere. So here we can see bears get their 2 legs. 1, 2, and then a double bottom. This is bullish, right? Because this is a bull flag. And this bottom has created another bull gap opening. We have 3 bull gaps on the day. So bears are barely making money, but they are making money. Where's the other gap right here? So bulls are strong today. We got 2 legs down and a double bottom flag. This looks like a great bull flag. Hold on. I just want to talk about this real quick. This is also a micro double bottom. And look at this bear flag here. Trap traders. This side trap bulls for another leg down. This side trap bears. Trap bears. Bears tried here. Huge wick. Bad continuation. After a rally like this, bears are going to want to see these type of bars, you know. These wicks are showing you that bulls are still interested. And this is a bear flag. Double bottom. Micro double bottom. Double bottom. Bull flag. Did I say bear flag? Yeah, this is the bear flag. This is the bull flag. Yeah, you guys see it now, right? Super strong bull channel. And that's the day, you know, it had great trades. This was a great channel. I was in this and I got out around here before it dumped. So it was a great day, you know. I hope you guys caught some of this stuff. This bull micro channel is great. Any of these trades are great. Even the scalp here was great. This is hard. This is hard trading, but if you did it, you did it. If you made money, good job. Micro, I love looking for nested patterns within patterns. So a nested pattern would be like a double bottom within a double bottom, maybe like within a double bottom, or like another nested pattern could be like, what do we have here? A head and shoulders reversal, double bottom, higher low. You guys, you see how you just kind of start to stack certain things. Here we have a double top, higher low. The double top here is with bull candles. You can do that, but the high is right there. Here's a micro double top with a lower high double top. Double top, double top, double top, double top, double top. You guys see? It's just patterns within patterns within patterns. It's all fractal. It's challenging too. It's challenging. Sometimes I get my head spun around. I can't lie. I gave up a lot of profits within this range today. I'll be talking about that over the weekend, but it was still a good day. And just to cap off the day, we're going to talk about the market cycle and where we're at. Bears wanted to close this gap. Bulls want to keep it open. And they're doing it by the skin on their teeth. If you want to play the wicks, the gap is closed. I try not to. I mean, it is the daily. Everyone's looking at that wick. That's a nasty wick. But it does show 3 legs down. 1, 2, 3. Bottom of a range. Maybe the bears need a pullback. We never strayed too far away from the EMA without a pullback. June. So about 1 month we stayed away from the EMA and we pulled back, almost grabbed it. The next month we did. since September. Oh, it's only been a few. Wow, it seems a lot longer. It's only been about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trading days. So it'd be interesting to see what happens tomorrow. It's the last day of the month. We are in an overall trend right now. This is looking like a bull flag to me, unless this is a bear flag. Let me go like that. This is a June 13th low. I'm gonna slowly try and start stacking like time frames on the daily chart. That's how my mentors do it. Is they have like lines like, oh, September high or something, only on the daily. So I'm trying to follow their lead just with my own dates, and that's I guess to make it even another date, like I'm gonna do it like this actually here, June 13th low. I'm gonna do it like this, just to get started. Sept 28th low, and then we'll see, like, delete that since, yeah, and then we'll do it. Now I feel kind of cool. I feel legitness. Oh my god, I can't believe I just said legitness. Probably have to delete that. Alright, keep it like that. There, so then there's a July high. Alright, now we're slowly starting to build our market memory. I could do like all-time high. I'm not doing that right now. But you guys get what I'm saying. So this is the daily chart, and this is the range we're in. We're stuck between the July 27th high and the September 28th low. Bears got a lower high. Double top. You guys see that? And we're at the bottom of a range, and we're starting to see very wicky candles. So I'm really interested to see what happens tomorrow. Hope you guys are learning something. You guys are studying. Have a good day. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.